You can also use regular potatoes instead of sweet potatoes. Just slice them very thinly, about 2 millimeters. For the topping, blend 1/2 cup of cashews, 3 tablespoons nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and a little salt until you get a fine crumb texture. This topping adds a delicious cheesy flavor, extra richness, and creates a beautiful golden crust.